Hello all, I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel. Now it's another topic, globalization. I hope it will be very useful for you. Now let's see the topic, globalization. What do you mean by globalization? Globalization is a process of rapid integration or interconnection between the countries. Right? So it is integrating and interconnecting the different countries of the world. It is not merely about the markets, but also about ideas and technology is shared and expanded. Now you can see, children, it is not merely about the market. What do you mean by markets? Buying and selling used to take place since ancient times, children. But beyond that buying and selling, now even the ideas and technology is shared and expanded. Because of this globalization, there is a flow of capital, short term or long term investments, people, flow of people moving to other countries, or labor, we can say, migrating in search of employment, and technology. The latest technology brought up by MNCs in our country is shared by our producers, is supposed to have created a borderless world. That was about globalization. Now we'll see next there are three types of globalization or dimensions of globalization. When I say there are three types only, we can say political, cultural, economic. Three main types are there. But in the dimensions of globalization, I added social also. Let's see each one of us. Political globalization, children. Dimension of globalization. First one is political globalization. What do you mean by political globalization? The development and growing influence of international organizations such as UNO. You all know United Nations, how it is working, which is formed after Second World War in order to prevent further wars, children, and to create a peaceful coexistence between the countries. So, whatever the member nations of the United Nations or UN is there, they have to follow the rules and regulations of UNO. Such an international organization takes governmental action at the international level if any member nation is not following its rules. So, where is that we can say inside the borders is going on, everything is going on beyond the borders, isn't it not, children? Now, this governmental action is taking place at international level means what do you mean? It is beyond the borders, right? That is political globalization. Cultural globalization is nothing but cultural fusion, mixing of culture. Culture of India is mixing with the Western culture because people are traveling to other countries and other people are traveling to our country. There is a cultural mix around the world, not only in India, right? Some people are moving between the countries. So there's a cultural fusion between the countries or around the world, we can say, right? Main factors for that are but through internet, as you all know, internet, right? How far the internet has reached, children, right? Today with everybody's in access to it is access to everybody, each and every person, children. You imagine how the impact of internet is there on the people, right? So popular cultural medias are there, then international travels through which there is a cultural fusion, children. Then we'll see social globalization, sharing of ideas and information between and through different countries. Example, internationally popular films. You can see many times in India, International Film Festival will be there. Isn't it or not? And the books which are very famous, world famous books, everybody likes to read it. And TV series. Nowadays you can see so many TV series, right? It international films international series we get the opportunity to watch on TV, children. So that's how. Now, economically involves increase in the international movements of goods and services. First point, economic dimensions. That is, goods and services movement is increased. Foreign investment by MNCs taking place in India. People are migrating for employment purpose to the other countries, children. So that's how. That's how, right? There is the dimensions of globalization, children. Next topic we'll see, children. Right? Three types of international economic exchanges, children. The three types: flow of trade, flow of labor, flow of capital. Flow of trade, buying and selling in goods and services. Flow of labor, migration of people in search of employment. Flow of capital, short term and long term investment. Mostly long term investments are done for buying assets, children. Short term for payments, small payments, children. So, three types of internationally economically exchanges are going on: exchange of goods and services, exchange of people for employment from one country to another, and exchange, that is, short term, long term investments are going on. Now, last topic, today's video, children. Define Arab Spring. In the year 2010 and 11, several nations in Western Asia and Northern Africa like Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Yemen, Syria, and Bahrain were influenced by each other revolutions, right, and uprooting of dictatorship for establishing democracy, children, is called Arab Spring. Arab Spring name was given by the media, children. Right? Yes, that was today's video, children. If you like it, share it, subscribe it, and comment it, children.